Alright guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm going to show you all something. Akko keyboard World Tour Series Tokyo R2. Okay, this is the back of the box, and this is Gatorang look pin. Okay, Akko official seal. Right, let's do the unboxing. Alright, let's unbox the Tokyo World Tour keyboard right now. Surely, let's go. Okay, this is the Akko keyboard box, right? There's a foam here. Later we're going to show you what we're going to do with it later, right? Okay, keyboard accessory box. Let's see what we have inside here. Okay, standard USB-C cable, right? Gold plated. Okay. Switch puller, keycap puller, right? Both good quality stuff. You have also the switches, right? Extra spare switches, keycaps, pink and white keycaps, and also some special theme caps lock, shift, enter bar, right? You can swap out from your keyboard. Last but not least, the keyboard itself. Last cover. And the actual keyboard. Right. And so for the foam earlier, as we mentioned, okay, you can put it below your keyboard. Okay? Yeah, it acts as a desk mat. You can throw it away, up to you. You can put it below your keyboard. It will dampen the sound. Okay? Okay guys, so my honest opinion, but first, tell you first, my favorite color is blue, not pink, okay? But this one, really well balanced, the white and the pinks. Because, what did they want to actually bring out, okay? Because first the C-wave design, and then the pink is something like some sakura or I should say cherry blossom feel, okay? Yeah, that really brings out Japan, right? Okay, the theme. Yeah, and also, wow, the feel of the keyboard, especially the spacebar top, as you all heard earlier, wow, really well built. I think the stabilizers are well looked or something. I don't know what they did, but damn good job. Okay, and for the keyboard feel, I will really say actually what I did was bought kinetic sand. Want to really mod it, but I can tell you, I don't feel like modding it anymore. Straight out of the factory stock, you use the keyboard. What I feel okay, really good. No need to do any tape or whatsoever. It's really good enough already. Okay, so in terms of the aesthetics, the design or whatsoever, do let us know in the comment section below. Alright, thank you very much.